Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the LG 43-inch UT75 series LED Smart TV 4K bundle. If you're on the hunt for a compact yet feature-packed TV that offers an all-in-one entertainment solution, this bundle might be just what you need. You may check the link below to get this today for the best price available. The LG 43-inch UT75 series is equipped with a 4K LED display that delivers crisp, clear images and vibrant colors. Whether you're watching movies, playing games, or streaming your favorite shows, the 4K quality ensures that every detail stands out. Comprehensive bundle package. What sets this bundle apart is the inclusion of additional accessories that enhance the value of your purchase. The Premier Movie Streaming Package offers access to a variety of popular streaming services, so you can start enjoying your favorite content right out of the box. The TV Setup Bundle includes a wall mount, surge adapter, and HDMI cable, providing you with everything needed for a smooth installation and setup. This comprehensive package ensures you're ready to go without needing to buy extra accessories separately. Smart TV features. The UT75 series comes with built-in Smart TV capabilities, giving you access to a wide range of apps and streaming services directly from your TV. With a user-friendly interface, you can easily navigate through popular platforms like Netflix, Hulu, and Amazon Prime Video. The intuitive remote control makes it simple to switch between channels, adjust settings, and control smart features. Compact and stylish design. The 43-inch screen size is perfect for smaller rooms, apartments, or as a secondary TV in your home. Its slim profile and modern design make it a stylish addition to any space. The minimalistic design allows it to blend seamlessly with your decor, while the compact size ensures it fits comfortably in various settings. Easy setup and installation. The included wall mount and surge adapter make setting up the TV hassle-free. The wall mount allows you to save space and achieve a sleek, flush look on your wall, while the surge adapter helps protect your TV from electrical surges. The HDMI cable included in the bundle ensures you have everything you need to connect your other devices, such as gaming consoles or Blu-ray players. Conclusion. In summary, the LG 43-inch UT75 series LED Smart TV 4K bundle is a fantastic option for anyone looking for a high-quality TV with added convenience. Its impressive 4K picture quality, comprehensive bundle of accessories, and smart TV features make it a great value for your money. Whether you're upgrading your current setup or looking for a new TV for a smaller space, this bundle offers a complete solution that meets your entertainment needs. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this review helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech reviews and updates.